Hey there, spa enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into all things relaxation and home maintenance. Today, we're tackling a super common issue: how to unblock those pesky spa jets in 2025. Whether you're dealing with mineral buildup, debris, or just plain old neglect, this quick guide will have your spa bubbling away in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, turn off your spa's power at the breaker and let the water cool down to avoid any burns or electrical mishaps. This simple step could save you from a world of trouble. Once that's done, inspect your jets closely. Look for visible blockages like hair, leaves, or calcium deposits that might be clogging the nozzles. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a soft bristle brush, a vinegar solution for dissolving minerals, and maybe a small vacuum or pipe cleaner for tougher spots. Start by gently removing any loose debris from the jets using the brush. If it's a mineral buildup, mix equal parts water and white vinegar, then soak a cloth in it and carefully wipe the jets. For deeper clogs, use the pipe cleaner to poke through gently. Remember, be careful not to damage the internals. After cleaning, rinse the jets thoroughly with clean water to flush out any residue. Now, turn your spa back on and test the jets. If they're still not flowing properly, you might need to check the pump or filters, which could indicate a bigger issue. Pro tip: to prevent future blockages, clean your spa filters regularly and use a spa shock treatment every few weeks to keep things fresh. There you have it. Your spa jets should be back to their glorious, massaging best. This process is straightforward and can save you a ton on professional services. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and here's to many relaxing spa sessions ahead.